Hi guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe as well as hit the notification button down below in order to see new videos of me. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I apply on my press-on nails. So I purchased these press-on nails from my local Walgreens. They were buy one get one 50% off. I picked up, they didn't really have that much press-on nails from where I was at, but I just picked the ones that were best suited for me. So I'm just trying to figure out which nail I want to put on today. So I decided to put on these pink nails with the flower design on them. I think they were so cute and I had to get them. I think it goes well with springtime and even summer. So yeah, these were really, I forgot how much they were. I think they were $7 and some change, but I think they were half off because I bought the other nails. And then these here are the white tips, French tips, and then the other ones that I have, they are purple, but they were plain. So I just wanted to show you the pink with the flower design because they have a little more design to it than the other ones. So let's get started. Okay, so here I did wanted to use my acrylic as for using it as glue to put on the press-on nails, but I just realized I didn't have acrylic liquid, so I just gonna leave that out. But yeah, I'm gonna use my nail filer and my nail clipper. The press-on nails, they did come in with directions as well as a little cleaning pad to clean your natural nail off from oils or whatever. And it did come with a cute little filing board and a cuticle stick, as you can see there. So but it didn't come with the glue, so keep in mind of that. Alright, so first I will be starting with clipping my natural nail. I just wanted to clip them down to make it look a lot neater. These press-on nails, they are short, so I didn't want my natural nail poking out at the top of them. So that's why I'm clipping my nails down some. Alright, so now I am going to be using my nail filer. I'm just using it to file the sides of my nails just to keep them clean and organized. Alright, so now I am filing down on the base of my nail. So this right here is very important. This is the quick and simple way to keep your press-on nails lasting longer. So what you will do is you will just file the base of your nail just like you will put on for acrylic nails. Instead of like drilling, because I did want it to drill my nails, but I couldn't find an outlet near me to drill my nails, so I just decided to use my nail filer board. Now this nail filer board, it's the 180 side of the board, what you will use to file down your nails. So yeah, I've used the 180 side to file down to make a nice gravel texture so that my glue and press-on nails stick on really well. And this, by doing this, it will, latch on really good, and that's what makes the press-on nails last longer. Okay, now, so this is what they look like after I have filed the base of my nail. They are well filed down. I've also have filed around the cuticle area as well. Alright guys, so right now I am showing you what I wanted to do in the first place. I did wanted to use the acrylic to use as a glue to hold my press-on nails, but I did realize as I was opening the acrylic liquid that I didn't have any left. It was completely empty, guys. So as you can see right now, I'm taking everything out before I realized that I didn't have any acrylic liquid. So after I realized I didn't have any acrylic liquid, I just decided to use the nail glue that's still in the package, as you can see. So yeah, I just went ahead and just decided to use the nail glue to just use that as far as to secure my press-on nail. So right here I am clipping the excess skin around the cuticle area. I just wanted to make a nice, fresh, clean, how would you say this? Just a nicer finish on my nail. So, because I just seen like it was like a lot of excess skin as I was pushing down the cuticle, as well as filing the cuticle area. So I just wanted to go ahead and clean that off. Just give it a nice little manicure look. And right here I'm just going over my nail base with the filer again, just making sure that it's still rugged, or whatever you call it. Okay, so now I am going to size my nails, trying to find the perfect size for my fingernails. I am going for a nail that is slightly smaller than my original nail, just so it can get that natural look to it. Especially with press-on nails, you wouldn't want them to look a little too big, because then they will look, like they're pressed on, and you wouldn't want that. So just try to go like a little smaller than you would for your nail size. Alright, now that I am completely done with the sizing of my nails, picking out the right size, so now that I'm going to get to the gluing. So this is the glue that I'm going to be using to glue on my nails. So what I do is just put a little on the base of my fingernails, just a little bit. Now these press-on nails, they didn't come with glue, because they already have a glue strip to them. They have little plastic coverings that you just peel off and then stick them on your nails. But I wanted to make sure that they stick on really well, so I put the glue on the base of my nail, and then just stick the nail on there like so. So I have double the glue that's already come with the press-on nails, plus the glue that I have already applied on. So yeah, and that's also good for me for these nails that I have purchased. And I know that these nails are not going to go anywhere. They're going to stay on for a really long time because of me filing on the base of my nail. Plus the little glue sticky pad that's already on the press-on nails, and as well as the glue that I had already applied on the base of my nail. So just with those three things, I know for sure that these nails will stay on for a really long time. Guys, so this is pretty much it of how I apply on these press-on nails. They look really cute and they look like I had them done. Yes, the way that I had gravelled my natural nail in order for me to stick on the press-on nails so that they can last longer. I know for sure that it's going to work out. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.